Despite the remarkable and inspiring success stories of wildlife conservation, many animals are still facing extinction, largely due to unsustainable human activities. Currently, the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) has assessed over 41,000 species as being under threat of extinction on their red list. According to wwf.org.uk, here is a list of the top 10 most endangered animals in the world and their natural habitats. Previously distributed across Southeast Asia, the Javan rhinoceros has experienced a dramatic decline in numbers due to hunting and the loss of their natural habitat. The population of Javan rhinos in their natural environment represents one of the scarcest rhino species. Approximately 75 individuals can only be found on the island of Java, Indonesia. Ujung Kulon National Park, a UNESCO-protected World Heritage Site, serves as the last sanctuary for the remaining Javan rhinos. However, this area also suffers from a scarcity of food for the rhinos, as the orangutan palm trees do not thrive adequately, resulting in reduced food sources and limited habitats for the rhinos to inhabit. Moreover, the small Javan rhino population is exceedingly vulnerable to extinction due to natural disasters, diseases, poaching, and the potential risks of inbreeding. The Amur leopard, one of the world's most endangered big cats, has a dwindling population of approximately 100 individuals in the wild. Despite efforts to stabilize and increase their numbers, this particular leopard subspecies has been at risk of extinction since 1996. The current distribution of the Amur leopard is limited to a relatively small area in eastern Russia and northeast China for valid reasons. The surviving Amur leopards encounter multiple threats to their survival, including the loss and fragmentation of their habitat, scarcity of prey, and the presence of transportation infrastructure like highways. Nevertheless, there is a glimmer of hope for these rare and majestic big cats. Approximately 75% of their roaming range falls within protected areas in Russia and China, and they also adapt to suitable habitats beyond these designated zones. The Sunda Island tiger or Sumatran tiger is the smallest subspecies of tigers in the world, weighing up to 140 kg. For comparison, the Amur tiger, found in the Amur region, is the largest of all big cats, with males weighing up to twice the weight of Sunda Island tigers. This tiger is also highly rare, with an estimated population of around 600 individuals in the wild, confined to the island of Sumatra, Indonesia. Since the 1980s, the human population in Southeast Asia has nearly doubled, from 357 million to approximately 668 million in 2020. This has had a significant impact on the shrinking tiger population and its habitat. The expanding human settlements in the region have increased the likelihood of encounters between Sunda Island tigers and humans, leading to further hunting of tigers. Tiger hunting and illegal trade pose serious threats to their survival. The mountain gorilla is a subspecies of the eastern gorilla, living in two isolated populations in the high-altitude volcanic mountain forests of the Democratic Republic of Congo, Rwanda and Uganda, as well as in Uganda's Bwindi Impenetrable National Park. The Virunga landscape has a history of political instability coupled with high levels of poverty in the region. This poses a significant threat to the mountain gorilla population. As humans have moved closer to these great apes in search of food, shelter, and habitat, over 500,000 people now reside near the mountain gorilla's habitat. Despite this, mountain gorillas have shown promising recovery through conservation efforts and interventions from local and international partners, including WWF through the International Gorilla Conservation Program. Currently, mountain gorillas are listed as an endangered species, with over 1,000 individuals remaining in the wild.
Something like 7 million years ago.
The Tapanuli orangutan is a recently identified species of orangutan, classified as a distinct species in 2017. There is only one isolated population of Tapanuli orangutans in the wild, confined to the tropical forest ecosystem of Batang Toru in the island of Sumatra, Indonesia. Presently, this arboreal primate is critically endangered, with fewer than 800 individuals remaining in the wild, making them the most threatened great ape species in the world. Habitat loss stands as one of the primary threats to their survival, as tropical forests are being replaced by agriculture, mining activities, and the development of hydropower and geothermal projects. Between 1985 and 2007, over 40% of the forests in North Sumatra province, where the Tapanuli orangutan is found, were lost.
One of the things that makes it hard is actually finding them.